Hi, my name is Vern. I'm here to give you a step-by-step instruction on how to install an extended retracting clothesline. Hills Extenda retracting clotheslines are available in two sizes, a 6 and a 4. Today we're installing an extended 6 retracting clotheslines from a wall to a post. And to enable that to happen, we need a post kit, which is this one here. And you'll need the tools to help put the post kit in. Once you've chosen the position for your clothesline, mark the position 50mm above the person's head and then 814mm wide. Remove the two covers from each end of the clothesline with a Phillips head screwdriver. Simply line up the mount holes with the masonry hole and insert the fastener. Replace the two end caps with a Phillips head screwdriver, like so. We're now going to install the post kit, which comes in two sections. The smaller section inserts inside the larger one, just to height accordingly. Once the two bolts have been fastened, you need to place the post kit into a hole that is 850mm deep, 200mm of gravel in the bottom. Pour cement around the post kit and leave to dry. Once the post kit's been levelled with the spirit levels, install the receiving bracket by placing it into the holes at the top of the pole with the bolts provided. To extend the clothesline, pull the two blue caps towards the post kit. Pull the clothesline towards the receiving bracket and click into position. To tension the clothesline, pull the blue lever until it clicks into position. To release the clothesline, return the blue handle to its original position. For further information, visit hills.com.au.